Hi, first graders. I am going to do the green sight words. This word is we. Not. One. Do. Your. All. Their. She. Said. Or. Had. By. What. Were. Can. There. Use. When. An. Which. Words. How. Each. If. But. Those are the green words.